Hi guys, I just reached home from office. I went to buy french fries and then I did some threading, upper lips and my eyebrows. And I'm gonna start vlogging, so just want you guys to know that I recently bought a new camera and then I'm gonna figure it out how to do it because I don't want to film from my phone. So let's check it out together. Guys, I figured it out. So this is it. Why is it not capturing my phone? Okay, so I'm gonna start vlogging from here. So see you from here. It's been more than a year, I guess, that I've not been filming, and that was because I got into so many things, like so many personal issues since last year, and then plus my phone was not working very well and I don't want to film with my phone, so I was thinking that I'll get a camera and then I'll start filming from there. Okay, let's spend the evening with me and then I'll pack for my trip tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening I'm going on a trip, so let's pack for my trip and let's spend the evening with me. Let's clean the room a little bit. I won't clean so much because I'm gonna make it messy anyways. So last month ending, my AC was not working. I had to sleep on the floor here. It was so hot. By the way, I built this by myself. Can you imagine? It was so funny. I hold this side and this side will be falling down, and then I will be holding this side and this side will be falling down. It's like not a one person job, but then I manage it. Okay, I'm done cleaning. I'll go down to take my clothes. I went and got my clothes. Let me try if they fit or not. I mean, when I measure my leg, I'm so short, it comes out around like 35, which even 35 will be very long, but I asked to make it 37 because I want to wear them with heels, so length I'm fine. I can wear with heels. pants. Anyways, next, I'm changing in front of the camera. You don't see anything. You must remember these pants that I bought it during my first haul, I guess, and never wear it because I was too lazy to go and fit the length. So finally did. Oh my god, my stomach is so fat. I'm bloating. That's the second one. And my jean that I'm gonna carry with me. You know, even though I got this from Amazon, like 700, I guess, the quality is really good. I bought the one in size 26, which was rated 26, but I don't know, it doesn't fit me, and this is 28 and it fits me, but in all other places 26 fit me. I never wear 26 in my life. Okay, so this is my pants. I think even though he is a tailor who sit in the roadside, I think he's good, so maybe I'll ask him to tailor almost every of my clothes because I really need a lot of things to get tailored. But this one I need to iron it down so that it doesn't go like a bubble like this. The other two it's fine. Hello guys, it's the next day. I'm gonna finish packing right now, so and I'm gonna finish packing, shower, get ready and go. So let's get it done. I'm gonna pack some socks. Here I bought a bunch of socks from Savannah. So I'm checking which one to get. Maybe this and this. So maybe I'll carry this for my boyfriend. I'm carrying lots of options so that it match my outfit. Now I'm gonna pack my makeups later because I'll be using after I shower a little bit. So all the things that I already don't need, which are right here too. I almost forgot to pack my oil cleanser. It's almost over, so I bought new one. So let's transfer it into this. can see. So that's it for my packing videos. I'll take you guys along in my trip as well, so stay tuned and support me. See you guys on trip in my second vlog. Bye.